Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're making crème fraîche. So crème fraîche is a French style cheese. It actually roughly translates, or probably directly translates, as fresh cream. It's a lot thicker than fresh cream because it has been cultured. So it's a cultured cream. You use a fairly high fat cream to make crème fraîche, between 35 and 50% fat. So it's a lot thicker than what's a sour cream, which is made along the same similar lines. Anyway, let's get on with the recipe and I'll show you how easy it is to make crème fraîche. So I'm using Creme by Inglenook Dairy. It's about 50%. So I'm using a 2 litre saucepan, and the ingredients for this dairy product is 1 litre or 1 quart of whipping cream between 35 and 50% fat, and either 1/8 of a teaspoon of Sacco MO36R aromatic mesophilic because it's very strong, or 1/4 of a teaspoon of flora danica. So I'm going to turn the heat on now, and we're going to heat the cream to 24 degrees Celsius or 75 Fahrenheit. So once it's come up to temperature, make sure you were stirring it all that time so it doesn't burn on the bottom. We're going to remove it from the heat. And remove the spoon. So now we're going to add the aromatic mesophilic culture. I'm using MO36R, but like I said, you can use flora danica or any other aromatic mesophilic culture. Okay, so that's floating on the top there, and we're going to allow that to rehydrate for 5 minutes. So I did cover the pan out a shot to make sure no fluff got on the cream. But after the 5 minutes, we're going to stir the culture into the cream. So make sure that's thoroughly stirred through. Okay, remove the spoon once again. And we're going to cover that and allow it to ripen at room temperature for between 36 and 48 hours. So after the 48 hours, that's how long I took mine to get thick, we're going to spoon it into a bowl or an airtight container. Now it is quite thick, which is absolutely fantastic. It's still a little bit runny, as you can see there, but it's definitely not like the cream I originally started with. You can put this into the fridge now if you want, and that will thicken up and go a lot firmer than what it is now. But it has a light tang and it's quite delicious. So you can cover that with cling wrap and use that bowl, or like I said, use an airtight container and refrigerate. It will keep for up to 10 days at 4 degrees Celsius or 39 degrees Fahrenheit. And there is some of the crème fraîche that we used on a dessert with a waffle and some fresh berries and a little bit of maple syrup. It was absolutely delicious. Well, that was so easy, wasn't it? There are so many ways to use this dairy product, I'll call it. Oh, it's not a cheese per se, I suppose it's cultured cream. You can use it with fresh berries in desserts. You can use it in stocks and soups. You can thicken pasta sauces with it. The possibilities are endless. Just go and have a quick Google search on how to use crème fraîche, and you'll be surprised at the many applications for this lovely little product. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and you'll be notified about the next cheesy video that gets released. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.